A Kenyan survivor of Southeast Asia's cyber scam trafficking networks won a landmark judgment in the Employment and Labor Relations Court. Justice Bairam Ongaya on Thursday ruled that Kenyan recruiters trafficked him into a heavily guarded scam compound in Myanmar after escorting him from Nairobi's JKIA, monitoring him via WhatsApp during the flight and handing him over to transnational criminal groups at the Thai-Myanmar border. The court has awarded the young man 5 million shillings. He was featured on Citizen TV in April after repatriation when he described his ordeal as, quote, slavery, servitude and forced labor. Emily Chebet remains on his story.
He was among the 78 Kenyans rescued and repatriated after months of torture in Myanmar's camp compounds. A university student who deferred his studies for what was a well-paying job in Thailand. Instead, traffickers in Kenya passed him and others to a coordinated syndicate operating in Bangkok and eventually Myanmar. Gratify Solutions International Limited, a company registered in October 2024, just 2 months before they facilitated his travel to Thailand. The company lists Njeri Kihara and Virginia Washeke Mureithi as its directors and shareholders.
Mimi nilipelekwa Myanmar na agent anaitwa Virginia Mureithi. Nilimlipa commission ya 200k. Na hiyo process ilikuwa very fast, like ilikuwa less than 2 weeks. Visa ilikuwa ishatoka.
In Thailand, they were smuggled into scam compounds in Myanmar where they were confined and trained to execute online fraud.
Unaingia Instagram, una search maybe rich kids in Dubai, like wenye wako na magari kali, picha zenye wamepiga kwa hoteli kali. Au ndo unatumia kama character wako.
When they're in those scam compounds, they're given scamming targets. And if you don't, sometimes they make you to stand on very sharp stones while carrying 20-liter jerrycans of water on your head for up to 24 hours. They feed you on frogs, on snakes. Sometimes they put you in very dehumanizing circumstances. They are forced into sodomy. They are forced into drugs.
Evidence tabled before court, including M-Pesa transactions and WhatsApp chats, showed Virginia Washeke, Ann Kihara and Boniface Owino were all linked to Gratify Solutions International Limited and liable for human trafficking. Principal Judge Bairam Ongaya found that the petitioner was subjected to slavery, human trafficking, servitude, forced labor, degrading treatment, and that his freedom of movement was infringed upon by the respondents. The court declared that the petitioner's rights and freedoms were contravened and grossly violated. It ordered the payment of 5 million Kenya shillings for violation of rights and fundamental freedoms. That payment is to be made by 1st February 2026. The respondents are also to pay cost of the petition.
They were not also compliant with the National Employment Agency requirements for lawfully recruiting and exporting Kenyans for labor. So from the name, just the name itself, you can see it was tailored to deceive Kenyans that it was an international recruitment agency duly licensed to perform those duties. So this case, the directors as well have been held accountable.
Mi plan niko nayo, maybe after compensation ni kulipa hizo madeni, juu hizo nayo zinasumbua mzazi sana. Like nilipe hizo madeni ziishe. After juu bado ziko na interest na bado zinaendelea kupanda. After hapo nirudi shule pia mi at least nimalizie penye nilikuwa nimeachia.
Those who were rescued say there are hundreds of Kenyans and Africans who remain trapped in the scam city. Emily Chebet, Citizen TV.